Did you know that you can download your LinkedIn post analytics? I'm going to show you how to export that from LinkedIn. So all you have to do, guys, is once you're in LinkedIn, click your profile on the upper right hand side and go to where it says post activities. Now from here, you'll find your various posts that you have made in the past. It will show you how much people it reaches, and also you'll be able to view the analytics. So I'm going to choose a random one here. So let's take one of those posts, right? So I'm going to take, for example, this post here where it says view analytics. I can click on that and it's going to show me the analytics. So I can see the impressions, the members, and so forth. Now, if you look at the top of the post towards the right hand side, you have export. So you can simply click on export and you export analytics. It's going to download for you in a CSV or Excel file. As you can see, you can open up that on your PC and you can basically open it and view the analytics data there. As you can see, it's currently opening up in Excel, and I'm going to show you what you actually get. So once you open that, as you can see, you get the link to the post that you have, the post date and the published time and so forth, post performance, impressions, you get members reach, profile view from the post, how much profile view, you can see the followers gain from this as well. So these are the details that you actually get from your analytics when you export that as well. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.